I am really enjoying Elf at the moment. I thought we'd try one of these, but they literally look like little mini poos. I am using this GHD hair tong. So this is my date bark. I have actual dirt on my face from the garden. Good morning, welcome to a new vlog. Today is Tuesday. It's Tuesday. I've really been struggling with like working out what days it is over the last couple of weeks. But today is Tuesday. Tuesday is typically my filming day, and it will be a filming day for me today. But this morning, my aunt and a friend are coming round to help kind of just do a little bit of gardening bits. I'm very, very fortunate that this is something that they do probably maybe 4 times a year, 3-4 times a year. I would say they do this for me, and it's very, very kind because I mean they're not gardeners, but they know a little bit about gardening, and it's just so much easier to do something when you have someone helping you. So that's my plan for this morning. I just need to do a little bit of tidying, maybe a couple of emails before they get here, but that's why I'm in like this old t-shirt, because it's just to spend a little bit of time in the garden. Also, we're in my in our like smallest spare room, and this is probably my favorite room in the house, and I think maybe Michael would agree. Like if I've kind of had a rough day, I often come to this bed to work from. I have my book here, a notebook, even my purse is here. We'll catch up once my aunt has left, I think. It's also a nice day. Yesterday was a nice day too, but it feels like we haven't really had like very many, if any, nice days. Like today is a nice day, like I said, so was yesterday, but it's still quite chilly. We haven't had like warm days. Like I wouldn't be able to leave in a t-shirt today unless like I was gardening and like being active. Okay, so a little bit of time has passed. I've done my gardening. My hay fever is terrible, so honestly I'm not even really in the mood to film. Like I really wish I didn't have to. I'm gonna get ready and I'm gonna at least film like something. I'm not sure what that looks like because like I said, I don't feel that great, but I'm gonna quickly curl my hair, and I thought I would very briefly show you, even though absolutely no one has asked to see. I am using this GHD hair tong. I do occasionally use the wand, but at the moment I do not enjoy the wand as much as I like the hair tong. I do feel that I go through like phases of what I like, but at the moment it's not this. I have got very fine hair, so it's quite easy for me to curl it. I try not to curl it too soon after washing it, so I washed it this morning. A little bit of time has passed. We're definitely into the afternoon. I feel like my hair's like slightly, it's like definitely not damp, and it's slightly grittier, and I have just run a little bit of dry shampoo through it as well. But I'm just gonna curl the whole of the bottom. I try to leave a little bit out, but I feel like I haven't really done a good job of that with this one. I'm gonna hope it doesn't matter that much. I'm just gonna work my way around my head. I'll link this hair tong down below as well. It is worth it. Like it is expensive because it's GHD. I do really like it. And then you are my hairspray. Maybe I can put you on top of a deodorant. Ooh, a bit wobbly there, but just using a bit of Elnet hairspray. Need a tripod. I have found this to be the perfect height for so many things recently. I am loving it as a tripod. And I'm not suggesting that this is what you should do, but this is what I do. I take a hairband and I very lightly tie my hair up. It's just so that I know that this hair is curled, and like I'm less likely to disturb those curls. That's my hair curled, but I need to do my makeup now. Guys, I have actual dirt on my face from the garden. And like no one told me. That is ridiculous. I'm gonna wash my face. So for today's foundation, I'm going to use the Elf Camo Hydrating CC Cream. I am really enjoying Elf at the moment. Honestly, typically I do my eyeshadow first. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear eyeshadow, but I'm really enjoying Elf. It's quite an affordable brand. This is a little bit too dark for me, maybe. Battery on my camera is flashing, so we'll probably see each other shortly once my makeup is done. I am also still yet to decide if I really like this product from Elf. It's a dupe for the It Cosmetics, which sometimes I really, really love, and other times I'm a little bit like indifferent to it, and I don't know like what that's dependent on, but it's definitely true. I'm actually using an It Cosmetics makeup brush to apply that. That's what that looks like. I am going to go do the rest of my makeup and charge this battery so that I'm ready to rock and roll and make and film another video. So a fair amount of time has passed. We just came back from doing a Lidl shop. and we came home to, what would you describe it, Mike?
It's a spider colony of newborn baby spiders.
But like hanging down off our pergola, like as we came out of our garden door. What did you even say when you saw them? You were like,
I was like, oh my god, there's midges here, that's annoying. Then I was like, oh my god, they're all yellow and baby spider looking, and they were only hanging down because I opened the door. I think the web had been attached to the door when I opened it.
Maybe.
It broke the web and made this weird line of spiders.
It was odd. But I'm now going to do a little bit of cooking. My plan for this evening is I'm going to cook a tofu thing. It's called like tofu and black pepper. I'm going to plant some herbs because we've kind of like, the garden's like okay at the moment. My aunt, like I said, came around this morning and helped, and so it's like okay, but it's just needing a little bit of extra TLC. It also just needs a little bit of extra sun. And then I'm gonna make those like strawberry bites that people are eating on TikTok. So that's the plan. Whilst Mike unpacks the groceries, I thought we'd try one of these. It's currently Greek week at Lidl. What should we try first, the gyros or the tzatziki?
I want to try the gyros.
You do?
Yeah, but I don't know.
Okay, we'll try the gyros. How do we pronounce that, by the way? It's my favourite food and I'm not sure how to pronounce it.
Gyros, like gyroscopic.
Gyros, sorry.
I don't know, maybe.
Well, that fell in the sink. Do you want to have one? They're not good. You'll like them.
Wow, that is such a backhanded compliment.
Open up. Let's try these. These are much better. Those taste like something. That's
They're just roast chicken.
Oh yeah. It does just taste like roast chicken.
Mmm. Does actually taste like tzatziki.
Not as good as tzatziki, but not bad. During the weekend we drank a whole bottle of Diet Coke in like a day and a half. Between the two of us.
And that's like an emergency Diet Coke.
What was the emergency?
We had no other drink.
We did, we definitely did. I just felt like a Diet Coke and then we obviously had to drink the rest of it. But last week my cousin went shopping with me and I bought him this Freshly Squeezed strawberry lemonade, which we do really like. We don't typically buy that often, but it is very good. And Mike bought it again this week. Sometimes you just need like a sugary drink. So this is what dinner looks like. Not that exciting, but hopefully it tastes nice. So we've had dinner. I've gone in the garden to plant some seeds. Can you turn that down? Can people see your toes? It's a planting some herbs. Oh no, I think I have some in my back pocket. Yes, I do. Actually, these are probably finished. These are Cosmos and then Dwarf Aster. I don't know what those are. But picked these up in Lidl. I felt like I'm not in chocolate anyway, which I am for my little yogurt bites. I thought I might as well get rid of these dates, which I've had for a little while, and also the peanut butter, which is almost finished. I'm going to make date bark again. So this is going to go in my fridge for a little bit. Michael and my cousin have both been asking me to make those. I'm not looking forward to doing the chocolate part of these yogurt things because I feel like this is probably where it's going to go all wrong. I may have even burnt the chocolate in the microwave. They look like this. I'm half tempted to just pour a little bit of chocolate on top, but we'll see. Okay, take two.
Yours is going to be as good as the store-bought ones.
Well, you should see what the first ones that I done look like.
Are you putting them in?
No, they're here, but they literally look like little mini poos. And I've gone through 2 chocolates already.
Is this the date thing?
Yeah.
Oh, beef. Open that.
I don't really have a spare hand. Oh, please close that, please close that, because I don't want my things to melt.
Got it fully?
Yeah. Okay, I've run out of chocolate, which is crazy. Okay, so these actually look decent, but clearly I ran out of chocolate. And then these look terrible, but I'm hoping thi'll still taste okay. So these are gonna go back in the freezer. What I will say though, is that just these 5 little ones used a whole bar of chocolate. So I'm not gonna say, these aren't healthy, as far as I'm concerned. So this is my date bark, which is about to go in the fridge. It's only a small one because I just used up the dates that I had. but it is now gone 9 o'clock, so I'm gonna sit down, have a cup of tea and chill out because I'm actually a little bit tired now. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. What'd you say?
We have one.
No, not yet. It has to go in the fridge. I hate that you can see my reflection. So a few days have passed, maybe a few weeks have passed since I last recorded that video, because what happens is I haven't uploaded a video in a little while, and then what happens is I get like scared to like upload a video because I'm like, out of practice, and I think that's why people like really thrive on uploading like every day or every other day, because then you don't get the fear, whereas like I get the fear because I stopped uploading for like a week or two. But I'm gonna upload this today, so I thought I'd kind of just film like a couple last little clips. I've done this to my hair and I really don't think it was a good idea, because basically I have a wedding coming up towards the end of the month, and I think I'm gonna wear my hair up for it, but I'm gonna have it done. But I just kind of wanted to try like what I wanted to show them, and initially I was gonna ask for something like this, like kind of like a messy bun with kind of bits hanging down, but I think maybe because my hair's quite fine, I don't know, maybe these bits are just too long. This doesn't really work for me, I wouldn't say. It kind of looks like a little sheep. Yeah, like with their little ears. I don't think this is working for me. But then if I pull it behind my ears, then I really feel like I look like I have ringlets that Orthodox Jews have, which is also not the vibe I'm personally going for. I've had a weird day. I feel like I say that a lot, but it has been a weird day. I just had a lot to deal with. And I'm going to quickly do a tidy in my office before maybe I'll show you a few like new things that have arrived. Something was delivered today by courier, and it was from a brand, and then the courier asked me how much I paid for the item, which I thought was such an odd question. He did say like, oh, if you don't mind me asking, how much was that? I was like, odd, never been asked that. I got a few new bits from a few brands, largely Lindex and Next. I don't know what I'm going to show you, but probably, I don't know. Let's just try on this for now, as I haven't tried this on yet. Now I don't have a jacket that suits me, and I like this, but if I'm completely honest, I think this might not be the perfect one for me because I think it's a bit warm toned, and as you may know if you've seen any of my colour analysis videos, I am cool toned. Oh, I quite like that actually. One of my viewers commented that I really suit a collar. Turns out very much true, but then I've really struggled to like find a good jacket. I really like this. I would even wear it with these like leopard print trousers. I kind of like that contrast. And I got this in a size 14. I was a little bit nervous that it was going to be a bit big. I think it's a 14. Yes, it's a 14. So this is a medium, but I'm pretty sure it's a 14. I was a little bit unsure if it was going to be like a little bit big, because it said that the sizing was like rate standard, like not oversized, and so I actually think this is like beautiful, like perfectly oversized. Even lengthwise, I think this is quite a good length for me. I'm 5'7", which is like tall-ish. I've noticed that people really hate when women that are 5'7" say they're tall. So I'm tall-ish. I am above average, but obviously I'm not 6 foot. And let me just show you the other thing that I'm really excited by, and that is this shirt. You just got my address on it? No. I just think it is so cool. It's a bit expensive, I'm not gonna lie, but I do feel like it's just such a statement piece, and I can just think of like so many ways to wear it. I think on holiday I'm gonna get so much wear out of it. I got this in a 16. I'm going to split this over my head just because I can't undo all the buttons. Yeah, again, I was in between a 14 and a 16, like what size did I want, because I would say like to fit, I probably wear a size 12. Like this vest might even be a 10 because it's like stretchy and because I want it tight. But I would say I'm probably a standard 12 on top. I feel like I'm going to have to style this, but I really do think it's cool. I think I can wear it like open. Maybe it's one that I can't have like, maybe that's like too much pattern, but I'm thinking about wearing it with like a red pair of trousers and like a really statement outfit, probably with this rolled up and like much more skin. I don't know, like this sort of thing with the red trousers. I think that might be cute, but I don't think this is everyone's cup of tea, but I really like it. I like love it. And also it's got like a lot of colours, and probably more so warm colours than cool colours, but the blue's kind of like closer to my face than the other colours. And I think when it comes to colour analysis, you have to like take it with a pinch of salt. But let me tidy my office and then we'll be back a little bit later, once I've done a little bit of work. It's also day 1 of my period, which is obviously a really fun time. So today I've honestly been like a jack in the box. Like, I have opened my door far too many times, but this just arrived from lidl, and I thought I'd just show you what's in it. It's from QVC, and to celebrate that there is a lidl super advanced 4-piece sinker collection, and it's currently on sale for under £60, and it's a saving of £54, which is pretty good. And so I've actually decided that I'm going to end this vlog here, just because it means I can now upload this. I can edit this and then upload. A couple of things I kind of wanted to touch on though before I go is that I think my next video, fingers crossed, is a review of the Uniqlo like built-in bra top. Sorry, I'm leaning back really far. I also bought the Primark version, so I'll probably compare the two. Secondly, earlier in this video I made those like yogurt bite things. I made a strawberry version and a raspberry version. The raspberry version was mildly better, but honestly I wouldn't bother wasting my time with either. Although we do really like the date bark. If you have dates, it's definitely worth making. But like I said, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you hopefully next week for a video, and then I think maybe the week after you might have another vlog, I'm not sure. Let me know if you'd like to see what new pieces that I have in my wardrobe, because that's definitely something I can do. At the moment I just have like 2 big piles of clothes that I haven't tried on yet, but let me know if that is something you'd like to see. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like the video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you very soon. Bye.